I'm Donovan Rittenbach, and haven't drank since 2001. I'm just having a great time drinking Rachel's concoctions.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and I have been sober since my early 20s when I discovered I was allergic to alcohol. I could not process it. It would immediately make me sick. So for many years, I didn't have any options, and now I do. So we're going to make a blood orange margarita right now with the Mockingbird Spirit Agave. This I bought on Boisson.NYC, and this is about $40 a bottle, so it's not inexpensive. It comes from the UK, and it's worth it though. It's very tasty. So
Yes.
I have in here blood orange juice and lime juice, and I'm going to pour in the Mockingbird Agave.
And we'll include that information in the about, where to purchase the beverage.
Yes.
This is a 0 proof agave, so no alcohol. But from our previous tests, it's been really quite lovely. And Rachel has these amazing rose ice cubes that we're going to be using for our...
I'm going to shake this up with a little bit of ice too, just to...
We've prepared 4 ounces of blood orange and 2 ounces of lime, which in and of itself would be fun.
That gorgeous color.
Gorgeous. That's... wow.
And I rimmed the glasses with a little bit of kosher salt as well. And I'm going to just put in a little, float the orange peel.
Nice.
All right. Cheers.
Wow.
Can you see that? Gonna be good.
Look at that, beautiful.
Ooh, that's tart.
Extremely.
It's good with the salt though.
Yeah, you can't really taste any sugar.
I mean, the blood orange is sweet enough for me.
Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit, but wow.
There's a lot of flavors going on in here. You got the blood orange, you got the lime, you got the agave.
And how much of the agave did you put in?
I did 2 ounces per glass.
It's very sippable. You could definitely hang out and just have a nice drink to...
Yeah. I think I would probably put a little bit of like jalapeno syrup in there just to boost the spice a little bit, because that'll slow me down. But I like that.
Like a jalapeno simple syrup?
Or even, well, not ginger, jalapeno would make more sense.
Ginger, that would be interesting.
That would take it in, that would take it in a different world. Jalapeno, yeah.
Are you picking up any of the habanero in
No,
here?
I think the blood orange is a little strong.
Yeah.
Maybe I would pull back on the blood orange on the next one and do more of this one. So let me just pour a little bit extra in there and see.
Wow. Get the little chemistry beaker. I like it.
There we go. Yeah, I love that thing.
And we're already at half a bottle.
This stuff is very drinkable. Yeah. I think I would do, I think that's what I would do is 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 for this in juice.
Yeah, you can definitely taste a lot more of the
agave. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That would go great with a taco.
It would. We were talking about Taco Tuesday.
Since we record on Tuesdays.